Hey everyone, so here is a quick fix for the Samsung S24's dual screen. So hopefully you guys can tell a difference here. This is S24 Ultra, this is the S22 Ultra. You can see like on this Pokemon website, just how much more bright, how much more, what to say, vivid the S22 Ultra is here, like with the oranges. You scroll down here, you can see like, it almost looks like two completely different colors on some of these different colors here. So like the S22 Ultra is just a lot more, again, I'm just going to say the word vivid. It just looks nice and, well, it looks better compared to the S24 Ultra. And again, it really shows up like in this orange here. And then like on the screen, it looks pretty different. So with the one of the latest updates they did, if you go into your settings and we scroll down to display, we scroll down to screen mode. So if you have it in vivid, hit advanced, and then you can actually change how vivid you want it with this right there. So we'll turn it up all the way. We will go back into here, and now we can see it does look quite a bit better. Still looks actually decent amount different than the S22 Ultra. I still would say the S22 Ultra to me looks better. It looks just more vivid, for lack of a better word there. It just looks nicer still, but at least it does help with the S24 Ultra. It does make it look better than it did without, or with that vivid all the way down. So it definitely does make it look better. Again, it still, to me, doesn't look as good as S22 Ultra does, but I don't know if it ever will, because they do have a anti-reflective screen on here, or a bit of the screen on here, to, well, help with glare and stuff. So I don't know if it'll ever look as good, but it definitely does help. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.